What's happening? So in this video, I'm going to share with you how just spending about 5 minutes of my time, I was able to generate $138 and growing. And that is why this is my favorite way to earn income online, and that is through affiliate marketing. And so I'll cover the basics of this in this video, but if you really want to go in depth and watch over my shoulder, I have a link in the description to a course I put together. And if you come over here and check this out and you scroll down, you're going to see where other YouTubers just like you went through the video series, watched over my shoulder, copied me, and set all these income streams up for themselves. They're growing their channels and they're sharing the results right here. And I have YouTubers reporting they've made over $2,000 in their first month after going through this video series. So again, that link is in the description. All right, so let's look exactly what I did to earn the money, and I'll show you the proof of the money here in a second. But basically, I came across this service called Sprizzy, and all it is a service that runs YouTube ads for you. So you can come over here, you can pay as little as $30. You send them the link to your video, you give them a few keywords, and then they do the rest. And there are other YouTubers that are using this. You can come down here and you can see the results people are getting. You can read reviews, and you can see that this is a viable way to get views and to grow your channel. And they've already serviced over 10,000 YouTubers. And so all I did, just as I teach in my video series, is I found a viable product like this, and then I scroll down to the bottom, and I see that they do have an affiliate program. So I signed up. It took me about 2 minutes. All I had to do is give them just very basic information and my PayPal email address so they could pay me. And I set up my affiliate program through Sprizzy. Then I created this simple little 5-minute video. Let me pause it real quick. Using my ranking methods, I got it ranked. And again, I teach that in my video series as well, if you struggle with getting views. But I posted it on November 22nd. So far I've got over 2,000 views to this video. Again, it's only about 5 minutes long. I do a brief discussion about Sprizzy and their services, and then I direct them to click the link in the video description. Now you notice this is a course link as well, and I also earn AdSense revenue from this video. So actually I've made quite a bit more than $138 I'm going to show you just from Sprizzy, because I also earn sales of my course, and I've earned AdSense revenue from this video as well. So let's go check out the results after just a few days of running this video. So this is Sprizzy's affiliate program, the dashboard. I'm actually going to go down here to reporting. I'm going to click on that. And then you're going to see some of the results here. So right here again is the November 22nd. That's when I posted that video. And out of however many views I got that day, I had 112 people click on the link in the description. Then 5 of those people actually purchased the service. So that's 5 sales. That's $150 in gross sales, which I don't get that, but they pay 20% commission, so I earned $30 the first day after posting that video. The next day on the 23rd, got 354 clicks through that video, 9 sales, $270 total that was paid to Sprizzy, and then my commission is 20% of that, so $54. Day 3, which was the 24th, or yesterday, it's November 25th. 253 clicks through the link in that description of that video, 7 sales, $210, $42 to me in commissions. And then finally this morning already, 56 clicks, 2 sales, and $60 total paid to Sprizzy, which equates to $12 to me. So if you add this up, it's $138. So again, that's how quick and easy this can be. All you do is, if you're on a site, if there's a service you like or a product you like or one that you want to sell, typically they're going to have an affiliate program, and typically those affiliate programs are very quick and easy to sign up for. You sign up for them, you do a little review on that product, on that service, you put a link in your description on your video, you drive traffic to that video by getting that video ranked. You do some slick little sales methods in the video itself to get people to click on that link, and then you earn commissions. And that's in essence why I love doing affiliate marketing with YouTube. But again, if you want to see how I do this exactly, if you struggle with any aspect of what I just said, that link is in the description to the course where I show you step by step how I do this. And so with that said, I'm going to wrap this up, and I will see you in the next video.